We done did so much around the law. I done seen so much I shouldn't have saw. Tatted teardrops called a heck of fall. It been up and down but never fall. Oh God. I've been at the lock behind the wall. I've been at the lock behind the. Ratchet bitches wanting Frenchies, not Philippe. That's the type that put me in my mood. She know that I'm out, but she come cool for me. She know how to put me in my groove. Oh God. I know it's a lot that you can learn from me. It's just one thing that you gotta prove.
Yo.
If you gotta walk just to ride for me, I might need an extra for the two.
What up? I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if we can trade today. The markets are closed. Kidding. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what I gotta stop the simulator thing. Hold on. I gotta run up this this simulator thing. I think I'm using a FOREX simulator, so I should be good. I used it one time in Wix9, but like that was like that was last month maybe. Let's see. Let's see if it works. VIP access to the markets. Imagine. I had Hawkins when I was exhausted. For some reason I was exhausted and a little nap. I had hockey like in the morning. I had hockey at 7 a.m. Played till like 9. What you guys do? No one's like, you know, down bad, right? From yesterday. Late to the party. All right. So I think this is what I'm using, right? If some guy comes in here right now, chat, and says, "Yo, Don, what happened to your balance? I thought it was 300K." I swear, man. Play football or soccer? Nice. Soccer it is then, right? Soccer. It'll be recorded? Yeah, it's on YouTube. All my it'll be up, you know, it'll be up on YouTube like always. Yeah. Let me just try to figure out I think Wix9 is coming too. I told him that I'll be camera on. I told him Wix9 to come by too, so it should be coming. Wix9 should be coming. What simulator you're using? It's called FOREX Simulator. So, like, I used to use what do you call it? Soft FX, but now I use FOREX Simulator. So, Bitcoin. Oh wait, no music. No this music at least. All right, let's just go back to copper for music just in case it gets blocked. Cause it's gonna be a good simulator. It should be pretty good. It's maybe an hour or so chat. You know, that'll be fun, right? An hour, that's good. Depending on the vibes there. Might be longer, but an hour should be enough time, enough trades for you guys, right? All right, so waiting on you. Where's the link? I got you, Wix. I got you. I got you. Check your Discord. Or the market controller channel. My fault. Dun, 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 dun. It should be a good session. 10K downpour now. Hey, you know what? We can't change this, can we? I don't know how to use this. Does anyone use this on a daily? I'm gonna need some help. Move those indicators. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. So let me do all that right now. Indicators. All interbands. Boom. MACD. Delete. Close. Unlock. Delete. Oh, okay. You gotta do this. Delete. Cool. Okay. That is deleted. There you go, sir. And what else do you need, huh? You're going to need, what's the deal? What's the deal? Saturday morning vibes. Nothing like a little sim there during the weekend.
What's the deal?
What's the deal? On high screen? Wait, why? Why do I high screen?
Oh, what happened to your 300K account?
Yo, Friday was a good day, man. Fucking overtraded on Friday and blew it.
Damn.
I know. It finally. I told
That's
you.
Tough.
Hold on. How did I do this?
Tough.
Yeah, that's cool. That's
That's
fine.
tough.
I know that is tough. I'm gonna put you right here. Right here. All right. So, okay, chat. I guess we get straight into it. All right.
Lock it in. We're getting a closure.
All right. So, I think the time GMT5 is my time already. So, how do I change the balance? Because I mean, 10K fine. We can do something relatable, or something like not too high, not too low. Pretty even. I think like everyone's good to 10K, right? Like everyone does a good number. For sure. Let me just move my MacBook real quick. $1,000? 2,000. But like, just imagine I'm doing like 1% risk per trade, right? So. Oh wait, give me a second. Let me just post this in the YouTube or on my IG real quick. Let me just. All right. And say we are live, baby. All right. All right, let's get it going. So let's skip to New York session, right? It's 9. This is 9, right? Yeah, this is 9 a.m. Let's go to like a round date. What date do you guys want to do? You don't have or green. When's your birthday, Green? Please not be December.
Let's do some birthdays. Word.
I think it is December actually. 210. July 20? All right, I'm doing July 20. 210. Okay, July. I'm doing July 20. What year? I think 2018. Like anywhere from 2018 to 2020. Because like, I'm not sure how far back data goes, or 2016 to like. Let's do 2020.
Ooh, that's COVID numbers right there.
Oh, it's volatility. Let's do 2018 then. 2019. 2019 sounds good. So what did you say again? July 20. July 20, 2019. All right, let's go to a special time. Let's go to 01. So 1 a.m. in the morning. You come to the charts. I'll do this again. Where's my data? Oh,
Must
no.
be a funded account.
Oh wait, I don't think I can go that far back too. Go here.
Pay for premium.
Okay, there you go. I don't know, chat. We're gonna do 226. Okay. All right. So yeah, I guess it didn't load up for some reason. That's weird. All right. All right. Well. All right. Let's go to the left here. What day is it? Tuesday. Let's go. Let's sim to maybe what do you call it? Let's go to maybe 9 a.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning. So this is London, 6 a.m. Boom. All right. So 15-minute time frame. Go on from there. So you know, look at the daily bias today as usual. I'm gonna do this real quick, chat. So don't think it's gonna be, you know, slow and stuff like the streams. But you know, daily time frame pretty bearish. I think we all know where it's kind of gonna go here, right? With this candle closing bearish at resistance here, you could expect price to just drive down here towards the support, happening like 1318. So I'm looking to mirror that traffic to the left hand side, filling those ranges. I think the 4-hour time frame is also, let me show you that one more time. Yeah, the 4-hour time frame is also bearish as well. The 4 candle really like has all this clean traffic driving down here towards the 1321 mark. So you have range going down. That's great. So let's see where we can get sells. All right, so you have a 1-hour closure just now. 1-hour close respecting this resistance here. So you're respecting that resistance, and this is your 1-hour support. Drop down to the 5, and you're gonna say, okay, well, if we could close below like this support on the 5, then sells below here would be perfect, right? Because then you can use, yeah, below there would be perfect for sells coming down towards 1922 or 1322. I think that range going down to 30 pips, so very nice. All right, let's see what we can do here. Something like this, going like 7 speed, 6 speed. Speed, maybe 15 speed.
You're gonna go book it past the candle right now.
How come I can't see the candle though? Why is it not moving? Like,
it's moving.
Well, there's a spread line here or ask price. Like something's missing here, right? Like I don't
you can't see the market price.
I don't see like something I can't see. But I changed that, chat.
Settings. There's a bid price and an ask price.
Yeah. Oh, I changed balance here. Yo, we can load up our accounts. Something else. I'll leave it the same as that. Am I baked? This is simulation.
Go to settings.
Settings.
Colors, show customs, language, more.
Don't see shit. I don't see anything. Maybe it's just like, because last time I did this, that didn't happen.
No, we had a bid price, ask price. Is there to the left where you can select an ask price, or
right here, right?
Can you right click?
Tickers, tick chart, orders.
Can you right click on the chart?
Yeah.
Objects? I don't know. No, that's shit on the chart.
Objects, no. Experts, no. Indicators, no. I'm confused. Shadow, text, windows. Hey, does anyone in chat use this? Is that just how it looks? You know?
Can you right click on that price to the right of the chart, the yellow price? Right click
Oh,
on
you
it.
know what it is?
What?
Might be colors.
Yeah, it might be black.
It died. Great. Hold on.
Yeah, but then you'd see it on the right.
It might be colors. Because the colors of the charts are like maybe the line or something camouflage to the background. Might be like
Setting colors.
might be colors, yeah. So colors, edit.
Right
Here we
there,
go.
ask price.
Where is this? Where'd I go?
Open order price black right there. You don't want that black. And hold on. That's where you open orders, and then the ask price, bid price, and ask price. Right there on the bottom. You see it right there in the middle. Indicator color. So bid price doesn't have an indicator color at all. Transparent. You want that color white.
I'm blind. What?
Right there, the one that's selected is transparent.
That's
Instead of
indicator.
Transparent.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bid price. That's what you want. That's what you want to see.
Okay, that's white. This white. That's all white.
Okay. And ask price is that. That's it. Click OK. Should come up. There you go.
Wick's not a genius. Okay. Wick's not a little genius. All right. W.
I'm ahead of my time, bro. Visionary.
Visionary?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, guys, waiting for a closure here below this support, okay? So, be ready. Why you stop? Keep going. What time is it? So right now it's 6:27. Yeah, 6:30 coming up in 2 minutes here. And 6:30 is coming up and you got a closure below. So you guys know what that means. Look at the 30-minute candles. It's staying close below as well. 5 minute. Yep, execute. So just gonna take what I risk here? Let's go let's go one lot, right? Let's go one lot.
Yeah, one lot.
Keep it simple. Okay, sell below there. All right, and then stops obviously gonna be like probably
5 minute range.
Yeah, top of this area here probably, and then target is right down here. I think it's 18 for 18 or something like that. It's just your target and stops in place, but why are spreads massive? Because if spreads are massive, then I gotta readjust this. We'll close manually if it breaks the highs. All right, that's what we'll do. All right, so can't add positions just yet. This thing came up back into the range, right? But keep in mind, 30-minute candle is creating a top wick. So if you come up to like maybe, I guess you're tapping to that area there, that resistance there. Let's see. Okay, here's perfect. If you flip bearish here, oh, yeah, right there. You flip bearish here, you can add our position here. The thing is like this similar in this similar right now, price is like there's only like a 10 pip difference, so it won't really do much, but let's just do it anyways. Yeah, because look, that candle flip bearish after breaking the highs, right? So now you got 2 entries in. I think both came down. One's like, oh wait, no, they're both. Wait, how many pips are in profit by? We are in. This is like, this one's in 6.
4.
Wow, this range is very small. That's fine. That's fine. That range is very small. I think that would usually be a 10 pip range. Now it is in today's markets at least. Yeah, they're making candle flip bearish here now. So you have like maybe a couple minutes left for a 1 hour close. 650. Pushing. All right, so I think now let's see, 655. This cat has no bond on wick. What you can do probably is just like move your stops from this trade. So like this is your stop on this trade, right? Where's my line? How did I move the stop? Oh yeah, there we go. So this stop's there. Move the stop to above this kind of high. Seeing up this, if it flips bullish, then we'll be out. We'll secure our pips. If not, then I'll just run down. All right. Or you can close one off.
Close right there at 11. Yeah.
Close one off and let this one rock like that. And profit. Cool. Cool. This thing flip bullish, right? It has no bottom wick. So now you want to wait for the 1 hour closure. I think it's 6 to 7 minutes here. So wait for that 1 hour closure and we'll get more positions.
W.
But I checked that
stream
trade.
record.
Yeah, stream record done.
Update.
I think that exact entry chat was what we did yesterday. Remember yesterday's entry candle, same exact type, but yesterday, you know, chat was just on one for some reason. Yeah, so yeah, you guys understood that concept, right? Pretty straightforward. Like that, you see the 5 candle, like this one broke the highs or closed bearish. It closed bearish, and then the next one broke the highs, and then once it breaks the highs and flip bearish, that's your indication. Since the third minute candle is creating a top wick, that's your indication. That's a confluence you can use to indicate that the third minute candle is flipping bearish for this 5 minutes to drive down, because the 5 closed below initially earlier. All right, pretty simple concept, right? Up the trade is taken. All right, so you have 3 minutes left for closures. Wait for that, and then we'll get more positions. The last time Wix did a simulator, we went like undefeated kind of, but
I think we went 16-0.
yeah. All right, so this 5 closed there. New support has been found, so I'm just gonna not waste. I'm just gonna draw my line down here and say this is your support level. And you got a nice like 15-10 pip range going down here. Yeah, that's fine. That's cool. That's cool. You need a closure below here though. You need resistance too, so this is perfect. You got resistance here. I wouldn't really attempt an onion in this case. Like I would just wait for a closure below here still. And then if we get entry and it pulls back again, we'll enter a second position. But like you really need a closure below the support now, right? Because you kind of form that, and the 1 hour candle is creating a top wick for 7 a.m. here, I guess. But RR done. But look at that trade, huh? We went right back and hit your stops. Then what? The markets are manipulating me. Yeah. They manipulate me this time. What are you drinking? Oh, you drinking wine? Sipping on some. We're kind of sipping on some at 12 in the afternoon. The good thing about simulators is that you don't gotta wait for candles to close. You can kind of just go and skip. Like we know nothing's gonna happen here, chat. Like we're not looking for buys above until like we break above I don't know, these ranges to the left here. Like we know we're not looking for buys, right? So what you can do is you can just kind of skip through these candles and wait until a candle kind of forms ranges. So just do that. 5 close. Okay, cool. We got some structure now. What did the 1 hour do? 1 hour candle did not break the highs. Okay, this might be a bit. It's the onion. It's not really a breakout. Let's see if we can form resistance. Maybe I'll attempt it, but you need resistance. If we get like something like this, right? Yeah, right there, and then a support formed. Cool. Okay, cool. We see you didn't get that resistance, so this thing broke the highs. If we enter sells here, we got clapped, right? And that's why we need that resistance there in that case. So, okay, let's just skip to like the next 1 hour candle, I guess.
No, they want to know why you need a resistance before you get clapped.
Okay, yeah, you need to slow me down here because I know what you mean. I know what I mean, but yeah, so you need a resistance here because keep in mind we're not really breaking out this range here, right? You're still in this box, in this zone, and since you're still in the zone, anything can happen. But like an extra confirmation would be like if we get a resistance, like this candle comes up, creates a resistance, and then you can say, okay, well now you're in a range here from basically here to here. You get a closure below here now. That'll be your breakout for price to drop down. It's sort of like a range 2, implement a range 2 there in that case basically. and then you would drop down like this, right? Because it's very rare to see price kind of do this. Like, how many times have you guys seen price do this? Just goes up like this and then just goes down. Rarely. You see price go up, come in here, do something here, and then drop down or drop back up, right? You rarely see prices go like doop doop. Like even this came up and it creates some type of range here. It did this first sideways and then it continued to drop down, right? So even this, like you will never see just this, and then next candle, boom, you probably see this, some type of range, right? Range. That's what happened here, and then boom. So yeah, in that case, you need a resistance there. So yeah, is that was that too fast? You good? You good? You got that right, Wix?
I get it. Yeah, just that's why I'm slowing you down, because they don't want to hear like you need a resistance because you would have gotten clapped on the next candle. They want to know why you need a resistance before they would have gotten clapped. That's all.
How many viewers do you have right now? You got 450. Let's get it.
W's. Drop a
Yeah.
like. Massive value here. Drop a like. Sub to the channel. We'll be on Monday.
Yeah, Monday morning. We're still doing something there, chat. Don't worry. We're gonna be let me just do this. Boom. Okay. So, all right. So you got some type of ranges here. What's the daily bias again? Bearish, right? We know that, but we can still take buys. Like, don't get me wrong. We can still take buys. I think there is a daily resistance here. If I could zoom in and delete all these tools for you guys. Also, how do I hide the trade history? Because I don't want to show these arrows here. Like, how do I...
Objects.
Trading history. Oh.
Yeah.
Orders. No. Trading. Nope.
You gotta right click on the chart.
No, it's not objects.
It's one of the other ones.
I think it's settings again.
No.
It's fine. We'll work with that. I don't really care. It's cool. It's cool. All right. So yeah, the daily time from today, chat. Look. So as you can see, if you can zoom in here, this thing kinda, I can't zoom in any closer in this, but this thing kind of came down, tapped the support here, right? And overall, still a bullish trend, obviously, right? So it kind of came down, tapped the support. Any given point can still flip and drive up. I think the weekly time frame is bullish, yeah. And it is Tuesday, so things are starting to flip here for the weekly time frame. So if you look at that and you're saying, okay, well, weekly is bullish though, daily could start to flip bullish today. If that were to be the case, then how could you anticipate sell or buys here today? Well, you're gonna need a range 2. So I'll say this is like your initial support here. This is your resistance around like these levels to the left here, right? And then you can say this is your resistance up here. So if you can break above this resistance at 27, you can probably see us pop up towards like 25-ish levels, or 31-ish levels. Like anywhere in this zone here would be your next target. All right. So yeah, buys would be perfect above what's this? 27, 27, but you're gonna need a 5 closure above, and you're gonna need an extra support form. So what I mean by extra support formed is, I mean you're gonna need this kind of close pop up, next count to kind of come down, create resistance, and then the next count to kind of pop up like this, and that'll be the bias we'll look for. That may change. We might get this form under the resistance. By then I'll attempt to buys, but if it doesn't, then we're gonna need that to happen above. All right. So let's just skip to that and see what's up. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Like it has that, you're looking at to mirror this traffic to the left here, so it has all of that range going up, right? All of that range going up. All right, so this count should break the lows first. has no bottom wick. It should break the lows first before driving up. Almost. Okay, break the lows. If it flips bullish here, you may see a push up. If it flips bullish.
This might be the support it forms there that you can use.
Maybe if it did in this range, but it's kind of below here. If it can do this and then come down like this, support and then close above.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is still way below resistance, right? So, all right, cool. So not closing above just yet. Be patient. All right, your former support, it's 8 AM open here. You have comics in about 15 minutes. And let's see. Popping. Huh. Okay, this counts. I can do something for a while, and I gotta simulate this. If this is real life, I'll do this exact same. Can't do much here. Can't do much here. Can't do much here. Can't do much there. Can't do much there. Can't do much there. Okay, things get interesting here. You may see some volume here. So let's just play it. You may see it break the lows or something in this range. If that's the case, then we get subs below here. That's fine. But we can't touch this range anymore. It's kind of in a no trade range right now. This is how you get kind of that's how you kind of get stuck in the range. All right, there's your volume. Okay, cool. You closed below the range. I think daily didn't break the highs or anything, so I mean we can still drop down. Just need a closure below.
You should have posted the name of the simulator for them.
I don't get paid to do this, so they don't sponsor me yet, so I can't do that. Matter of fact.
I was gonna say it's right there, fool.
Matter of fact.
Don's FOREX simulator.
Yep. We won't get sponsored yet. Until we actually get sponsored. No promo, man. No free promo. No free promo. Oh man, nothing's happening here, isn't it? The good thing about the simulators, we can gotta waste time. Okay, back up it goes, right? Like I said, this range is something you do not want to touch, man, because this range has no direction. So now that we're popping back up, we can start looking for buys above this level again, right? Above 27, but you're gonna need that resistance and support to form first once you break above. Let me just skip this stuff. This is a little too slow. A5 closure. It's 9 AM here, right? All right, there you go. Some volume. And you got a 10 AM closure. Okay, cool. So 10 AM closure, the 10 AM candle, the 1 hour candle has closed bullish above that resistance there, as you can see. If you take a close look at this, right? Close above that resistance. This 1 hour candle should likely pop up, tap into this zone here. Now, where could we get buys? Let's see. So, got a closure above here. I want to see if we can form some type of resistance here. If we can get some bearish candle close here. If it does that, then great. Or it needs to close first, obviously. So, you know what? Sponsored. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close in about 4 minutes here. If you get like a bearish candle and then something respecting that support, that'd be great. 2 and 1. You got a 5 closure as well. I guess that support was respected. You got a 15 closure now. I think that's good enough for us to take a buy here. I believe the closure above should be good. So mark execute as you do on stream. Yeah, stops are going to be probably below this zone here to the left, and we'll take profit accordingly. So this count should be able to run up and tap like into 0.9 levels. Okay,
You're good with that tap on.
We're gonna bottom wick. Can we add another position soon? Let's see. 15. What do you say, Wix?
You're good with it to tap right now back into the range for a second position, or would you look for a bullish closure?
I mean, if stops are only in this case, like right now, like right here wouldn't be a bad position because you're kind of just it's like it's almost half through the candle. You're creating a bottom wick. This 5 here, if you close bearish, but I close bearish respecting the support to the left here. This stop's only 14 pips, so like add a second position here. Yeah. Anticipate price to flip. Because this second stop will be
on the higher time frame.
On the higher, on the 1 hour and the 15 stuff, right?
Yeah.
Because look, if this like 5 and 15 didn't close below, I wouldn't add it. But since it closed respecting, it's fine for me.
Yeah, it makes complete sense. I'm asking for your logic.
If this thing flips here though, chat. If this breaks the lows, we'll close up both positions here though. Because look, this is so we'll move our stop part down to here now. Instead of like a 23 pip stop, we'll move it down here for the 17 pips. Because if this thing breaks the lows again, you may see it just come down and fill the rest of the range. So we'll manage risk on both positions below there. All right, so this stop, the second position stop is only like what? I think like 8 pips now. So it's really very small. But look at the 1 hour count flipping bullish. If it flips bullish and stays above, great. I believe you're gonna need some 5 closures above these levels here to be great again, but how come it doesn't show my orders? Oh, there it goes. Okay. And the lows have been broken. Yeah, so with the lows being broken, you may just see this thing continue to push down here. And you don't want to be in this mess anymore. It's almost 11 too. Wow. Yeah, see, so it kind of just came down afterwards. That's fine. That's cool. Okay, let's move on to the next day, yo. I'll move into a better ranging time, but who picked this date, guys? Okay, let's go to 1 hour. Oops. Okay, this is Asian, this is London, this is New York. All right, so this is New York session, and this is 6:30. Come to the charts, you see that the daily is obviously bearish today. We have a pretty bearish day today, so pretty straightforward. I'm going straight into it. I think the 4 candle is pretty bullish right now though, but if you want sells for a day, you would probably be fine with sells if you were to not below here just yet. You're gonna need that resistance to form if you do close below first for more sells, because you do got range coming down to fill these levels to the left here coming down, but you're gonna need that thing to close below first, create resistance for us to continue driving. I'll wait for that, and buys for me would be probably above just this resistance to the left there. If you close above his resistance, should be good to drive up towards like the next area, which is like somewhere up here, right? Like 1329 and stuff. So let's see. Oh, didn't that close below? I don't know if this is a gap, because if it's a gap, then this thing closed right. Close right at it either way. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, 4 minutes for a closure. Things get interesting here. I want to see resistance form here. Okay, this thing just closed. Wow, is that news? What is this? Oh, it's only 23 pips. 7:30 a.m. Interesting. Weird. Weird. I think there's news or something. I don't know what's going on right now. Okay, cool. You kind of close below there. Yeah, this thing should continue coming down to fill the range here. Again, with the daily bias being bearish there, right? It's starting to flip bearish on daily. Yeah, you have a 30 closure, I believe you had just now. Close below as well. I really want to see resistance here, actually. I want to see this kind of come up, tap like 34, create some type of bull counts there for us to get more sales coming down. Yeah, no. I want to see resistance here. I should close below here. Okay, so you form some type of support here now. That's great. You close below there.
5-minute range created here.
Yeah, you close below there should be good. Okay, there we go. So it's a number of resistance here. Yeah, here we go. 2 minutes left for closure. You close below that line. I'll be in. There we go. So,
boom, we're in.
Yep. How do I
slow it down?
Slow it down?
Well, when you're about to get into the trade, yeah, because you would have been on the close of the candle.
Oh, on the. Yeah, that's 4 pips.
Good 4 pips.
You guys know it's a similar chat. You guys know what we'll do, right? But yeah, it's just sell here on an open that candle initially. Once you close below, stop's gonna be probably up here at this candle high, and then target like wherever. We'll close accordingly, but probably down here at like 18 and such. So let's play this. Okay, range 1 breakout. If you can close back below, great. Okay, there's your drive. At this point, you can probably add another position here, chat. As you're closing below the range again. Let's see the 1 hour close, right? Cool, perfect. Yeah. Because now this candle is kind of breaking back below that range. You can add another position in this situation and let both rock come down because it should fill those ranges to the left there.
Did. That's your advantage point.
Yeah. How big is that push there? No, I can't really tell how big these pushes are because.
Let's slow the candle down, I'm telling you.
Yeah, slow it down a little bit. Let's go at 30. That was 10 off that first push there. But this 1 hour candle, if you look at it, it has range going all the way down to here towards the where's that support at? 1818, right? Where you kind of looking at. All right, slow it down here. I want to see if we can move stocks to break even on this candle. Or
you can take profit on one and leave the other one running.
What I'm gonna do is close off this one, and then with this one, I'll probably just move my stops to the break even point and let that one rock. Run to runs, because if this kind of flips bullish, you'll probably see it come back up towards those levels there. All right, there we go. Probably close full. Oh, hit TP. Why did it hit spreads? Oh, spreads. How big are spreads? Damn, that was I wasn't even close to the spreads. Are 4 pips. What kind of market are we in right now? Interesting. 4 pip spread. This is not BlueBerryMarkets. This is like using whatever you guys use in the chat, you know.
This is 2019 gold. You don't remember, bro.
Yeah. All right, cool.
You probably took a buy here when you were trading in real life in 2019.
Yeah, still pipping. So true. Real life. I don't know if I'm on the right. I'm on the right because usually I use a simulator called I use something quotes. Oh no, it is the ECN one. That's weird. I don't know why it's so high today. Usually it's a lot lower, but this is 2019. We can skip to 2020 or something. That's fine. Okay, so I think this account should be back in the blues. I don't know how to hit TP, honestly. Look how far it was from this to this. Like 8 pips almost. Sheesh. Alright, alright, so what time is it? 8:30? Okay, you have more opportunities here, but you're probably gonna need to now at this point. So the daily didn't even flip bearish. Let me just remove my tools chat for you guys. The daily didn't even flip bearish yet. This thing is still kind of, if you guys can see here, this thing is about to flip bearish, right? It's about to flip bearish if you zoom in closely. So if it flips bearish there, you're targeting probably like these levels here at like 1308. So yeah, volume here. You just need some type of range to form once you break below these levels here for more sells coming down. But yeah, below here should be great, or even below here should be great as well. More sells. I'll say below here would be better, below 1317. So let's just skip to that. Oh,
Skippity doo dah.
what did I skip? A 1 hour? Oh, I skipped an hour. Well, there's your trade, I guess. I mean, this thing closed below the range and just popped.
Everybody close your eyes, nobody look at it. Rewind.
I mean, like, yeah, you guys know what we have done, right? Like I said, a 5-minute closure below and just drive down. We need a range first, and the range did form first right here. So it's, I mean, you guys got understood that. So on to the next day, I guess. My fault. I thought I was on 5 minutes though. Why did I still make a whole hour candle? Sheesh. All right, that's fine. Delete that. Okay, 6 a.m. come to the charts and you see this the next day. The very next day, you have a bearish candle closure. Look like the range has room to drive down here towards 1302-ish, 1301-ish today. So if that's the case, then you drop down to the 4. The 4 candle flipping bearish, cool. The 1 hour time frame is breaking the lows. It's about to close here in 20 minutes here, cool. 3rd minute as well. So all that cool stuff, great. You need a closure below here in the 5, perfect. All time frames are bearish. You just need what happened to this?
Just need more data.
You need more data here, yeah. But I'm guessing I'm assuming that I mean 1 hour has clean traffic towards these levels to the left here, so anywhere I guess you can target those levels to the left if you close below. So let's just assume like this and see what's going on. Yeah, you need more data. What's the goal for this? There's no goal. Just like any day in the markets, man. There's no goal. You guys have a goal every day in trading? I don't.
The goal for this is for you to learn how to utilize the 5 minute. Be more comfortable with the 5 minute.
Oh yeah. In terms of learning, yeah, you guys get more comfortable with the 5 minute because that's so new to you guys and not new to me. And I want it to be not new to you guys too. All right, you got a closure, 1 hour closure. Pretty straightforward, you know. Let's see.
Oh.
How big are range? How big are the rangers? 27. 27. That seems about right. Yeah, place a sell stop here, chat, on the breakout lows. New order, limit order, sell stop at the what price point? $13.05.935 or 903, and stop stops there, perfect and cool. Because if you close below the range here, so if you were to flip bearish and drive, you should see this count push down to fill that 1 hour range pretty nicely. That's a range 1 fake out. Ooh,
Respected it.
Nice.
Should flip bearish.
Yeah. Okay, or get a fake out. You get a closure below here if we just mark execute. And
Ooh.
ooh,
Slow down.
ooh, almost. Not yet. Yeah, you should see this count come up here now with that break of highs here. You're probably gonna see a steep wick on a 1 hour time frame, and you may see this count push up to maybe like these levels to the left here, 1308. This 1 hour still has range to go down, but you're probably gonna see it come up, create a top wick first before it starts to like form structure to drive back down. What did I say again? 1307, 720-ish levels. Yeah. Let's see. If that was that, then that was that.
Trading.
There we go. So
timings?
we're in now. What timings? What's going on?
He's saying you're not trading the timings. It's 7:30. It's 7:30 Eastern. This is our trading time.
It's 7:26 a.m. Eastern on the simulator. That's New York session.
Yep.
Yep. We trade only New York session. All right, orders. I think we got activated there. I think we got I think this was like around like 10 almost at one point. Let me just place my stops though. So I think it was up here somewhere, right? We'll match this accordingly. This thing should be good to pop though. Yeah, close below the range here.
Why don't you put it above the 5-minute range?
I'll usually put it above, not the current range, but usually above the previous range, like, so somewhere like this. And usually it'll be above here. This is a low, and usually it'll be like 1308, but since you have this little wick here, I just put it there in that case. 5 pip difference. Oh wow, I was gonna say I had another position. Fine. All right. Yeah, if you take a look at this, guys, this thing closed bearish here. So we entered obviously. This one kind of came back up, and what it did was it respected this resistance here and never closed above. So with the break of lows, that's the seller replay, and from then you should expect a push going down, as to why I said we should go for more positions, but it was too quick for me. And yeah, at this point, just close full and then on to the next trade. So cool. So at 7:45 now, we wait for this 1 hour close here. Now I think the 1 hour closure is in 12 minutes or so. This is something like that. This is not waste time, right? So it's 8 a.m. here. So now you got 8 a.m. What do you have? You have a 1 hour count that closed below. I think in other words, Wickstown would say this is a gladiator. Not really. It was already below the range initially earlier. Still a bearish closure. Doesn't look too nice, too clean. So what I'm gonna do, wait for maybe 9 a.m. here. Let me just wait for 9 a.m. because this looks like a little messed up zone we don't really want to touch right now. Yeah, kind of came back up. 9 a.m. Cool. Yeah, on to the next day. This day looks chalk now. Because now it's probably just gonna drive up. And if you want buys, you're gonna need to drive up and like kind of create some type of ranges. And I do not want to be part of that mess. So yeah, let's go to the next day. I think it's Friday, so let's go to Monday. Go to Monday. Yeah, see that fuckery came all the way back up, and then I think later on in the day it kind of just drove down, but it was like 11, 12 at that point, you know. In Discord, you have to be trading right now though, for sure. On Friday, you have to be like, oh yeah, this thing is flying down.
Bro, they're trading right now. They're literally trading right now.
Yeah, like you don't want to be.
BTC?
I'm not touching part of this. We ran out of data. Great. All right, I guess we move on to like another time in our life. So let's say like, you know, move on to like, what do you guys want to move on to? August, September, July 1st, 2019. Let's go there. Unless that was all the data I have for this. Okay, our balance chat is 10,18670. Okay, remember that balance, 10,18670, in case this thing resets, because it might reset here. Usually it does reset. So I not got data back here, or so 2021. Let's go like, I don't know, February, March, something. March 1st. All right, cool. All right, so 2021, you come to the day. This is the day I think you have around This is Monday. Okay, cool. It's 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3, 8 a.m. Okay, this is 8 a.m. I think I went a little too far, but it's fine. Nothing happened anyways. I think the last hour. So you have 8 a.m. here. I would probably say you get a closure below this support here. You should be good to drive down towards these levels here. I think the range going down is like 50 pips almost. So you just need a closure below, to be honest. A closure below like this will indicate that you have volume to drive down since it's breaking back into that range there. But I believe you need some type of resistance here first. So I want to see some type of resistance form in this area. If not that area, then once it closes below, I need to see form resistance before we take sales coming down. Okay, so we'll wait for that. And for resistance, you probably want to see it tap into like probably yeah, this level right here. Perfect. Into this area. So now if it can come down and close below, I'll be in sales. And then have stops above that zone. The onion here, not too bad, but I'll prefer a closure below, to be honest.
Because the higher time frames haven't given you a confirmation to go up or down.
Yes. Yeah. If the onion happened once you broke below here, then cool. You know, that's fine. But in this area, you're still in the range. You don't know what's going to happen here yet. We're using Dawn Simulator. You know what we're using? That.
It's proprietary.
Yeah. Can't do anything in this range here. Don't touch it. Do not touch this range here. It's very choppy. You have no direction. And that's how you get stuck in the range. This is the burger. Run the burger, the meat. You don't want to be in the meat. You want to be out of the meat. You do not want to ride the meat.
Never ride the meat.
No. Okay. You got a closure, not belowsure. I think you have a support there right here. So let's move down towards there. Yeah, 5 minutes left. They're not closed below. Closed doji. Cool. Discount could flip. And let's simulate to the next 5-minute candle. Yeah. I have a feeling that it's just gonna range and not give ourselves. Yeah, it's like 11 a.m. here, so let's go to the next day. You know, I wouldn't have done anything that day, to be honest. Nothing really nice or friendly happened. So on to the next day. It is delete. Yeah. All right, 6 a.m. Now you got some decent volume. 6 a.m. come to the charts. You see this. Let's just go to 7 a.m. 7 a.m. coming to the charts and you see this. You see the daily candle kind of coming down here. You do have a bullish closure off the daily, but overall still respecting this zone here. So if that's the case, then so the 1 hour obviously just pushed down there at 7 a.m. right? Or what was it? What time frame was it? 7? Yeah, that was a 5-minute candle. Yeah, so 7 a.m. come to the charts. You see this. I think the thing just opened up, broke the lows. You do have room going down here with the 4-hour time frame especially. You see how you're breaking below these candles here to the left here. So with that being said, it just has all clean traffic coming down here now. So if we can get some type of 5-minute ranges, perfect. We'll be in some sells. I think you have a minor support here. So, or right here. Yeah, you close below there, you should have room to go down towards the 1 hour range, which I believe is oh yeah, we're here right now, sorry. Below here. You need a closure below here, but you need a resistance here because there's no resistance and you don't really have a decent stop here, right? You can't use an 8 pip stop. So you need resistance to form, which is going to be very hard to form because you have a lot of volume. But you can't enter impulsively here just because you have no resistance. You have no decent stop loss. You can't put your stop loss in the middle of the candle. It doesn't make any sense. It needs to be above a range. So that's why I need a range to form, or else it's just gonna drop down. 9 out of 10 times though, you will see just drop down without any type of range, but it's very impulsive because you don't really have a stop. Yeah, there's your range. No, like this is a 5 minute too, right? And you had no decent range. Unless you want an 8 pip stop, then that's fine. Yeah, there's your push. Yeah, there's your push. Yep. 719 only. Damn. Still got time in the day, but I think the daily broke the lows now too. So if the day is breaking the lows, you got probably targeting today anywhere in the zone at 1686 now to the left, because you're breaking below these daily lows here and you're looking left to see your next target. It's anywhere in the zone here. All right, let me just pause it right there. You got a 5 closure and see how we close there. All right, cool. We're forming a range here. So yeah, perfect. I mean, you can probably say now that if I can use this properly. 1711. What kind of look left there? There's no traffic, isn't there?
No data.
I can't use data. Okay, I guess we gotta assume off the 4-hour time frame that's where you have clean traffic too. Yeah, you just gotta assume, I guess, off the 4-hour time frame, because the 4-hour has clean traffic coming down towards those levels. I think I saw. Yeah, 4 hours clean traffic coming down, so it's just. Or has some type of minor support here. What is this? 1705. Okay. Yeah, we kind of just gotta assume here that you close below here, you should be good to drop down though overall with price action. It's just your target. You don't know where your target is, but we'll just manage risk as a tap like 1705 and such. This is good though. We form some type of resistance here. You know, you need this to form to have a stop. Without this forming, this is gonna drive down and you can't really get in because it's just straight candles coming down. But I don't think I would have caught anything here earlier anyways. Okay, that is not good onion, chat, by the way. This is not good onion. I'll tell you guys why. You see how you have candles here to the left here, right around here, right? A lot of people see a bearish candle, they just take sells here for an onion. Be careful, because there is some type of bodies in the zone here. So if this onion were to form here, cool, maybe. If it were to close below there, great. But since it's still respecting those zones there, it's still respecting the structure, it can just be a lower low for prices to go out to create a higher in a 5, right? But if we're to break below those levels, you'll see it just create a lower low, and next candle likely drop down like such. So in this case, I would not attempt the onion here ever. This is not a good onion. Just be aware of those candles when you guys are trading. Okay, cool. So yeah, he broke below those ranges. Just see some volume. How's the 1 hour look? 1 hour just closed, right? 8 a.m. So you probably would expect a top wick. If we can create a top wick on the 1 hour, great. I'll attempt the onion. But if it does not, I'll wait for a closure below 1705. If you're gonna break these highs, tap like into 1718, I'll attempt the onion. But otherwise, I'm just looking for closures below the support here. Brother, are you telling me you're that lazy? You don't want to sit here through a simulation for 2 hours, an hour, or go on stream, but you want an IG short to explain to you one strategy? You know how hard that is? Can you explain to someone like how to catch a fish within one IG reel video? Like the in and outs of it. what bait to use, what hook to use, like all of that. Nah, you cannot. It's a minute, bro. Are you that lazy? Lazy, man. Pure laziness. You can't go far in trading if you're that lazy, man. Trust me. You need a lot of time and an hour spent on charts. You can't just expect things to be done within, you know? It needs practice. You need practice first. You need to visually see these things form day in, day out, every day.
You got a 5-minute range to break up.
Yeah. Or for buys? No, I look for buys only if you close above here, and then like
create a support.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, like
I know.
let me draw for chat. Yeah, you know after that day, you definitely know now, right?
Yeah.
The thing about trading is once it happens, you kind of learn. Yeah, if you form this, I'll take buys, but you need that range too. Until then, this looks like it's coming to drive down to retest the lows here, and we may get some sells very soon here, guys. So lock it in. It's 840. Okay, 840. How big are stops here? 50 pips. What kind of volume is this?
Sounds good.
Yeah, there's your kind of drive. Ooh, how big was that push? 17. You'll be up by then. All right, 10 minutes left. Can we close below 1708? 5 minutes left. Let's just skip this. We're not gonna do anything here. I can't do anything here. Boom, 5-minute candle. All right. 901. Nothing happened. Still need a close below. I think it's a new 4-hour candles. It's very important to check your 4-hour candles every time you close. Check to see what it did. In this case, it just closed bearish. So, or actually, yeah, it just closed bearish. I'm not sure if this is a 4-hour close though. I'm not too sure. It's not this is not Oanda. This might be a TD one. Oh, slow it down. Okay, nothing happened. And not closure just yet. You see all these wicks here? You're just doing the same thing every time, chat. You're doing the same thing every time. You really need a closure below this range here. These wicks have all came down to rejected. Therefore, there's a strong support there. And you can't just impulsively take sells. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna simulate this. Did it close? No, that's not the closure. This is a closure. It's
boom.
Can we close? 3.
Nope.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh, that's not a closure. That's not a closure. This is a closure. 3, 2, 1. All right, now you get the closure. Now, realistically, if this stop loss wasn't, I'm guessing it's gonna be 100 pips. The stop. Yeah, 78 pips. There's no shot. But typically, what you see this kind of do here, chat, is you'll probably see it make its way down. It's hard for me to take a sell here with a big stop. But we'll see if we can form resistance again. We may not form that resistance, so be aware.
Well, you only got 15 minutes maybe until 10 o'clock. Yeah. So.
Yeah, but 9:45. I'm fine with 9:45 trades, just not 8:45.
Yeah, but this is 15 minutes till 10 o'clock, and then it's like 10, 11, 10:30. But the time you really form that here, probably 10:15, 10:20.
All right. Well, You may see this kind of drive here, chat. Just be aware, you know. But I just need a resistance form for a stop loss. I don't have a stop. This is in real life. If this is the charts. This is when you'll probably get FOMO. But you need that resistance to form to have a stop loss, right? No stop loss again. And yeah, there's your resistance form. Okay, let's just skip this now. Boom. Okay, I guess
Next day.
I can't go to the next day. Oh, actually, I'm gonna stay. I'm just gonna skip it because we might get a closure below still.
Oh, this would be a signal group chat. This wouldn't be on stream.
Oh yeah, this would be after the stream. Yeah, for sure. All right. If you can form that resistance support, maybe 6.5s, but need that support to form. Yeah, next day it is. Next day it is. Next day. All right. How many trades have we got this simulator? Like 4? Like 3? I'm just gonna fly through it, chat. I'm trying to do slow, but it's going a little too slow for me. I really want an hour of this and get like maybe 10, 20 trades in, but it looks like we're not on pace for that. And when me and Wixan did it, we had like I think 16 trades within like an hour. So it's because
we did it
no
quick, there's
explanation. Just kind of just, you know, we kind of. It's hard for our new people to keep up if I were to do that here though. All right, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's 6 a.m. here. Let's go 7 a.m. All right, cool. 7 a.m. Just this is a nasty range we're in right now. All right. Let's just simulate this. I need a closure below here probably for sells to come down to fill the 1 hour range, which is going to be, can't see traffic to the left. Great. How's the 4 hour look? Can't see traffic there. And yeah, I could see traffic there. I wish TradingView just had a simulator, man. Why can't they make a simulator that and not a replay mode? Because they'll make a lot of money off of that. Like, everyone would buy that. Everyone's on TradingView. Like, I don't know why TradingView hasn't done a simulator yet. Okay. Just need a closure below. Oh wait, this is 11. Didn't even close below yet. Yeah, on to the next day, chat. This is looking crusty today. Okay, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 a.m. 1 hour candle in same range it was yesterday. Sheesh. I'm just gonna pick a new date. Let's go like halfway through the month or something.
Oh, this was really volatile. March 21.
I don't remember.
I do.
I do not remember. What's wrong with the simulator? Why can't I see my charts?
They're not at that price point.
I mean, that's gold. This isn't even gold numbers. I guess like, how far can I go? I'm confused. Let's go June 2020 then. Yeah, there we go. That's some. All right, here we go. All right. So, I believe today you got a daily candle closure here, guys. Yeah, it's a bullish candle here. It did break the lows here, but just be aware, again, it's still respecting the support. Any given point can still flip bullish down the daily. So I'm open to buys. I'm also open to sells too, in case it does re-break the lows again. So Let's see, the 4 candle, same structure really, still respecting that support to the left, right around here. It's still respecting these levels here. Any given point can still close bullish on this 4-hour candle. You have 2 hours left for a 4-hour close. Okay, cool. So let's drop down to 5 and see what we can cook up here. But it looks like above here wouldn't be too bad for buys going up. Or above here, actually, I'll say. Above here would be a much better. What is this? 38. And then we'll take buys going up towards here. Or let's see where, yeah, right there. But that's a 1 hour being traffic area as well. All right, so let's just submit this. I'm just gonna sim it. And then obviously more sells below here in case you do break the day of lows, like I said earlier, right? Because you could break the day of lows and just drive down. So let's just simulate this 5. 805, 809. You have a closure in 20 seconds. All right, this thing closed below the support here, chat. So you know what that means? It means we can probably take sells here coming down now. And yeah, you can probably take sells coming down. Because the 4 candle is breaking the lows now. Daily, I think we broke the lows, and you can say now the 4 candle, you may see it just drive down, coming down towards these levels to the left at 1224 or 1724 here. So how big are stops again here though? That candle was your entry, but that's fine. I have it above there. Let's see. Mark execute sells up to here, and we're probably gonna target like 24, 23 levels. So let's just play this candle.
With the goal is to take that entry once again on the closure of the candle there.
Yeah, that was like 10 pips, right?
Yeah,
expecting this one to drive. It's a simulator, so I don't really care, but in real life chat, like off the rip, like the flip initially would be the entry, and I think we'll be out break even that by then. We got 13, and that's where we move starts to break even at. Adding positions wise, see, I want to show you guys some more examples of me adding positions, because that was the whole point of the streams really. Not here just yet. If you close below, yeah, I would. If you close below the support here, I would add a position, because you can't just form the new support out of nowhere just now, right? If you flip bearish here and close below, okay. So looking to manage risk. I mean, 15 just close, leaves a nice wick fill. You just gotta flip bearish here. You flip bearish, I'll take another sell. I believe that range going down there is, yeah, I think a 14 pip from our entry. So we're gonna take a sell if it flips bearish on the 30 or 15. It just needs to flip first for us to really manage risk.
Go to the 30 for a second.
Yes, sir.
So if the 30 closes bullish here, you probably end up closing out a trade.
Yeah, you have 5 minutes left. Yeah. I gotta remember to slow it down every time it gets close to the candle closures, because I keep forgetting it. I just shoots down or whatever on the next 5 close. Yeah, at this point, like, there's no reason to really be in. You have a 30 closure, this thing closed bullish, and you probably want to manage risk, because this thing's gonna fly up here. Yeah, it would have hit stops just now. Yeah, I guess it saved a bit, but initially, chat, like in real life, like our entry would have been the opening of this candle, and it would have been a different story kinda, because it was just a flip, right? I'm just gonna slow it down here though once you get close to candle closures, because that's affecting these trades. All right, so 8:30 here. Not much you can do. You just need closures below here still, I believe. Same thing, just move your support down to the 5 closure below, and then if you close below, you should get some more sells coming down. All right, some volume. Didn't close yet. Two and okay, didn't close. No, still respecting that support. Can't do anything in this range. In between these 2 white lines here, this is the range you don't want to touch. There's definitely volume here, obviously. Yeah, I'm gonna select this candle. 15. Yeah. Yeah.
Isn't it supposed to make a resistance first, as you said last stream? No, it's situational. So
yeah,
it
like
depends. All right, go ahead.
Yeah, like here you kind of already had like for instance, like if it were to be like this count, this thing that closed below like this, like you need a resistance, but like this is the initial push down. This is like kind of your range just formed. So realistically, this thing closes below here. This thing should make its way down towards the bottom of the range, right? Like here though, right here, I'll wait for the support to form because like you're taking buys now, and you kind of need that support to form above this range before you get more buys going up above this area, this zone here. But either way, like that initially would be a winning trade because like we entered off the flip anyways, right? And it would have given us our whatever 14 there, like break even minimum. So yeah, that would normally be a winning trade because we would enter off the opening. What time is it? 10:40. Okay. So let me do this, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. I'm gonna go to next day.
Yeah, slow it down at the 5-minute closures here because, like, lock it in the way it should be.
Yeah. I'm still rushed through the simulator. The mechanics of it. This looks very choppy. I do not want to be part of this range. But good thing we're on a simulator because we can just skip through this day now. Yeah, it's 12, 1, 2, 3 is a little late anyways. Okay, let's go to 6 a.m. the next day, Wednesday. Okay, this looks much better. You come down to daily here. Yeah, I've obviously bearish closures, great. 4-hour candle flipping bearish, great. Like look at this 4-hour candle flip. All this room to drop down here, pretty straightforward. This is a 180 pip range going down here. Minimum 80 pips range going down here. So if we could form some type of support here or close below there on the 5, I think it was below here. Yeah, below 15. You can take sells coming down and you could look to mirror this range going down towards here off the 1-hour time frame because you're using the 5 entry, but you're using the 1-hour traffic, right? That's what we've been using. So let's just skip to the time where we can actually get a closure. I don't want to waste any more time. Okay, guess we're not closing below. 4-hour candle hasn't flipped yet. It's only 7 a.m. here. And I don't think I'm looking for buys here until you break above like this area to the left here. So, all right, back in the range we go. Perfect. It's only 7:25. That was one 5-minute candle. A lot of volume. All right, you got a closure here in 45 seconds here. So slow it down to 1 speed and wait the actual 15 seconds here. Because if you close below now, pretty straightforward sells you can take. All right, there we go. Got a closure. Market XAU off the rip. And I think stop's gonna be above. I put above here and have target, and we're at like 19. What was it? 19. Like anywhere in the zone here, probably like 1907-ish. So let's go.
Stops above where the 5 grabbed liquidity.
Yes, the 5 zone, not the previous 5 candle high, right?
Yep.
I want to see if we can add positions. Like I want to get more samples of that, but or just drive. What was target? Oops, how did I change that? Yeah, like technically this is a point where you can either close or move stocks to break even initially. Let's see, it came down, tapped that 1 hour support to the left, right? Did it? Yeah, it did on a dot. Yeah, I think that was the initial target earlier. Kind of missed on what was that? 6 pips there, but we're gonna close off that trade. This thing may flip after tapping that 1 hour support. If you get another resistance here, we'll attempt more sales coming down, or if you break below 1911, because I think below 1911 you have, wait, why didn't it close my position? Oops. If you close below 1911, I think you have more range going down here, and you have about 20 minutes for a 1 hour close here, so wait for that. Yeah, wait for that. Movie done, yeah, but it was too like the first, like there was like I think that last trade I technically like that was we got late entry, yeah. And I think there was one entry we had earlier where like I can't skip through the candle, or it pushed down the first like 40 seconds. I forgot to slow it down. It's fine. It's just a similar anyways, right? It's just like you guys get the idea. That's all that matters.
The goal here is for you to learn the concept. And,
yeah.
And you guys have, you know, there's less people here to ask questions. Like,
Yeah.
I'm realizing what most people are confused with, and there's gonna be a way for us to bring it to the streams with better explanations. I see, like, from the questions and from what people are saying, I see what people are having issues with, and you guys are gonna catch on. It's really simpler than you think. Your mind is making.
It's nothing new. That's the thing. The thing is, like, it's nothing new. You guys it's new to you guys because it's just a new time frame, right? But like the concepts, the closures, everything's just the same. It's the same shit. And the reason why it's new because you guys haven't sample sized yet on your own, right? That's the issue. That's the issue. All right, you need resistance to form here for me to get sales coming down. Because you have all this range going down now. I think you have range going down on the daily and the 4 hour time frame until, like, what is this? 1705-ish, right? And we're in that zone. But you need resistance to form here first, so we can get a bull candle here or something, and then break out lows maybe. All right. Yeah, it's very aggressive to have a stop above the first kind of high.
The 5 zone, but it didn't make one.
Yeah. It's a 5 minute too, and even though this is a 5 minute time frame, like this stop is still like that stop was like, it was 50 pips. It wasn't too bad, but it has room to go down towards 1705 right now. Like if you enter a night count, you'd probably be out by now realistically, right? You'll be probably taking profits for stops to break even by now. Yeah, it just kind of dropped. Yeah. ADM here. Okay, should pull back. There's a bottom wick on that. ADM count. How did this ADM count close? Is this below? Yeah, it's like slightly below the range here. So you have room to go down, obviously. But I believe now that you have this bullish candle, this is when you are forming that range there. So if the 1 hour has clean traffic going down, you just need a resistance to form. And then once that resistance forms, you can take sells coming down once you break below. And have the stop loss above wherever the 5 zone is that we create right now, right? If it's also big, why don't you just put half the risk into the trade? You can. I just use fixed loss sizes, so I don't really... I mean, you can. It's possible. You definitely can. Yeah, you definitely can. I mean... Alright. You have 5 closure. Okay, how big is this stop? I think you got range here now. You got... That's a 70 pip stop? Sheesh. You know what, chat? It's a simulator. Who cares? It's fucking fake money, right? It's a simulator. But I just want to show you guys the idea because I don't want to just skipping through the calendars here and well, show you guys an idea. But yeah, just closure below the range. Typically, we just take a sell here. It's a 7 pip stop. So, like, it's a simulator, so it's whatever. But realistically, your stops here shouldn't break these highs here. Just imagine this is like a maybe like a 4 pip stop or something, right? But it wouldn't be here. The stop loss wouldn't be here. It would have to be above this candle high right here. That's where I'll usually have it. And as for adding positions, once the candle flips bearish, I'll add a position. If you break the lows or close close bearish below there, we'll look for more positions to add. Because I think the 30-minute candle just opened up. Perfect. So I think the flip of that 30-minute candle is also going to be the 5 candle.
So the probabilities dictates here,
Yeah.
maybe 85-90% that you're gonna fill the range here.
Yep.
Boom.
No onion just yet.
Oh, it's got to close below.
Yeah, it's got to close below or flip bear. Or if it closes bullish and bearish, maybe I'll take another sell right here to kind of fill that range coming down. I just want to show you guys examples of me like really adding risk here. Like, but I don't have any opportunities to do so.
Needs to close below. See this?
Okay, there's a closure below. This thing flips bullish, breaks the lows.
Boom.
Let's see. How's the 15-30 look? 30 can still flip bearish here. 1 hour has about 8 minutes left. You probably need to just kind of close 8 minutes here.
Honestly, I believe I would have been on.
Right?
I would have been on that can, and on that can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is 9 a.m. I'll be fine, but 5 minutes left. I only worry about the last 15.
Oh, it's 8:55.
Yeah, only 55.
Oh,
like,
never mind.
yeah, if it was like 9:45, okay, cool. But you see how like this thing didn't break this high here, chat. I know it's an 9 pip stop, but for this example, I just want to show you guys like this stop here was more valid than this stop, right? This is not a valid stop. It would have to be above like previous
Zone,
zone, right?
It's a liquidity, so you can see where the candle grabbed liquidity as the one you would have used initially had no wick, no liquidity grab. It's got to come back up there and grab liquidity above it.
Okay, you have 9 a.m. closures here now though, so I mean, yeah.
Technically, if you were in on that fake out up there, you probably go break even and close out the trade at once you get to this position.
Okay, take a sell there. Everything closes below. Should be good to drop down. You can probably take another sell here, to be honest. Because it's closing below. Yeah. And this thing should make its way down to fill the range at, what is this? 1896. Yeah, so there's your all 3 positions. Because this one right here was once the candle closed below at 9. I said how I want to enter here, but that was like 8:45. So no. Right here, it was 9 a.m., right? So yeah, that was fine. Initially, I would want the opening, but it's fine. Breakout lows, I guess. And then here would just be a simple closure below the range again. So we'll have 3 positions there by now. And then close the first 2. And then with the worst position, we just move our stops to like break even. And if this thing runs, it runs for our TP down towards here, right? And there you go. There's 3 positions. And that's the thing. All right. It's a very simple concept. You guys get that? All right. Just the key of using stops and the key of
Stacking.
adding there, right? Yeah, like anywhere, like, because you need to form resistance first. You got that. So this candle was fine, but that was again 9:45. So then the last 5 minutes left, this thing closed, opened up, 9 a.m. opened up, boom. So there's okay for a position. And then once you close below again, you can probably add another position and then just let it rock. Pretty straightforward. Like, you guys get that, right? Yeah. Any questions? Any questions? Well, I'm gonna see if we can get another example going on. Why not wait for the pullback liquidity? Because we're not here to predict if we're gonna get liquidity or not. I didn't know there's gonna be liquidity grab there. I don't know, but we know where stops would be until the trade's invalid, right? That's what we know. That's what we do know. Because like, we can't predict when that will kind of come. For all we know, in some cases this doesn't happen. This thing can just drop down. But what we do know is that as long as the price respects that structure, it's valid to drop down at any given point. Okay, so let's go to 9 a.m. here. So I think 9 a.m. here, you have, yeah, see it tapped that 1 hour support on a dot and just started to react. Can't do much here, really. Let's see, you need to break below support first. So let me just skip candles here because this thing may end up ranging or may end up just continuing to drive. And yeah, it's gonna drive. Okay, now that we're breaking out the lows there, I can't see left, or I can. Okay, cool. So this thing has a clean trap to go down towards 1984 now, right off the 1 hour traffic to the left. So same plan. You need some type of structure to form to create support to close below. So if you can get that, cool. Right now you don't have support yet, so it may just drive through. But if it does that, you leave it. You don't touch it. Right there. Cool. So now you have support form right there. That bullish candle form support. You draw a line there. And you want to wait for resistance to form. You may see a tap 1898 because that is your most recent resistance. So you are going to be in a zone. And for more sells, you just need a closure below. Right? You close below. I'll take sells coming down. And have stops above that candle high. So stops again in this case, I think is going to be around like 80 pips. But like, just for simulation wise, I'll be fine with having an 8 pip stop. I want to show you guys like the structure and the logical stops and everything. Just imagine it's 40 pips, okay? All right, cool. This is perfect. You should see some volume here on this flip. Or not. Never mind, did not flip. I'm just gonna skip it. All right, there you go. Range 1 fake out, right? You may see a fake out here. This is a range 1 right here. So I wouldn't be surprised. As long as this holds, this thing can flip at any given point. And okay, it's 12 p.m. here. There's no volume right now. Yo, who's touching your hair, Wix?
Looks 12. She wants on.
Yo,
She wants to jump on my lap.
I thought you don't work on Saturday.
They trying to jump on here and stream and do their own thing on my computer right now.
They're trying to play Fortnite. Don't they got their own PC?
They're trying to play Roblox. They all have like the MacBook and the iPad. Look at her. She's just climbing. She's just climbing my table right now. What are you doing? I got a simulation going. What are you doing? She don't give a damn.
I want to play too. Where are these counts going?
That's what she's doing. Yeah, she thinks it's a game. It's not a
Yeah,
game.
so wick 12. This is a bearish candle closure right here. We're gonna teach them young. So by the time they're our age, they'll be our best students. Yeah. Oh, this is good, Ashley. This is good, Ashley. Chat. What time is it? 6:50. You see how like you have a, so look. This is perfect. This is what we tried to attempt earlier. Or trying to show you guys, but I never actually closed. You see how you have a closure above this range? That is not good enough for me for bias. You need to support the form, right? You got that because you're it's like you still have a bearish trend, so you need a range 2 to form. So this is your support, this is your resistance, and anywhere above this candle high here, this zone would be your bias, right? And you can get bias going up towards top of the range here, which is going to be somewhere up here. So let's just wait for a closure. Okay, 3 minutes left. Can we close? Pull back. All right. Can I go back a little bit to the opening of that candle? 6 pips. Yeah, man. I gotta go back to the opening of that candle because I can't just skip through it.
Yeah. The idea is to
slow it down.
as soon as that candle closes, you take because you already have the liquidity grabbed here.
Right, you see how you had that range form, now you're closing above, chat. You close above here in about 30 seconds. We'll be in there like swimwear, and then we'll have our stops probably just below this structure here. I should drive up. What agents of it should be available for VODs out there? Yeah, it will. It'll be available. You gotta pay a fee. I'm kidding. It's free. I got you, Mufasa. All right, cool. Market execution. Buy. If it comes down, creates a bottom wick, I'll take another buy there. If not, then it'll just rock.
I mean, if it comes down and taps the previous
Yeah.
range, with the expectation of that being the higher time frame bottom wick. Wait.
Yeah, with the 1 hour being a bottom wick and all that. Oh, I was on the 15 minutes. I thought I was on the 5. That's fine.
Yeah, a little.
The 5 did, the 15 did the same thing, anyways.
Because you drove way.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do here, chat, Ashley? I'm gonna close off my position here because I'm expecting a bottom wick to be, so I'm closing here at break even. I'm expecting a bottom wick here. And if it forms a bottom wick and it reflips again, I'll take another position. If not, then I'll rock. What happened?
You messed up. You messed up. We were supposed to go back to the 5 candle and went forward on the 15.
Oh, this thing is not working. This thing is not. Oh, I gotta speed forward. Like, why is it like not doing anything? Okay, there we go. That makes more sense. All right. If it flips bullish here, we'll take another buy, chat, right here. Or not. It may close bearish here because you have a 5-minute closure. Yeah. So now you need a closure above here instead. If it doesn't flip, you need a closure now. Yeah, it's fine. Are you not worried about pretty fast support? No, because the 5 created one already. Well, I kind of messed up really because I thought this is a 5. It was a 15. But I was trying to say like this was the closure. Then you had the support formed, and then a closure back above that resistance would be valid for bias going up, right? In this case, you didn't get either, or you got in a 15, but not the 5. All right, you have a closure right here. Perfect. So now we can take bias going up. All right, bias going up above the Rangers. Stops realistically would be below this candle here. these lows here to the left, because if you break those lows, I know it's 70 pips, but it's a simulation. But realistically, it'll be below those candle lows. And then target would just be, I think on the 1 hour time frame, you got clean traffic all the way up until 1722. So that is your target. And we're in that zone there. Hey, I can't really like look left or anything here. Okay, 15 flipping bullish. Cool. Realistically, you could take another position on the flip, but there's no point really, because like you already, it's basically the entry point. Like there's no need to take a second position at the same entry point, right? It doesn't make sense. Only if you, I guess, get a closure above. If their entry was down here and you break up the flip, maybe, but there's no reason
You can
to enter
close
again.
you can close at your entry if you get a better, if second entry is better.
Yeah.
That's a really solid resistance. So if you get a re-entry here and a fake out to come back up.
Yeah, we've been doing this for an hour and a half. That's some sell limits, buy limits.
More.
Last bottom wicks. I mean, you could do that. I used to do that back in the day. It's just basically the retest, but like, you never really know where the bottom wick really is right now. Is the issue. Like you don't really know where
So
the
you
bottom wick.
tap that level here, and then if you close bullish,
Oh yeah, if you close bullish above this white line here, yeah, right there.
and go to the 5.
This is the 5.
Oh wait, you're on the 5. Hey.
You gotta close above there. Okay, nah, I didn't close above. If it breaks the lows, we'll just close off. Cause look, not this one. This one you want to manage risk, right? On the break of these lows now, because there's no reason. Let me just move this line. There's no reason for you to break the lows here if price wants to drive up. You just see it drop all the way down.
Fill the range.
Yeah. That's how we've been managing risk all year. I think you save around like 20 pips there. If it drives up, it would drove up in this candle here. There's no reason for it to come back down and break the lows. It's just kind of retesting lows for us to drive further down, right? You think of it as if you were in a buy or a sell, sorry. Okay, 15 close doji, 30 close bearish. Yeah, that breaks the lows, it's gone. There's no need to hold past that.
Well, let the 5 close above here.
Okay, 5 close above. So if you break the highs, let's see. 30-minute candle close, right? Close bearish. Yeah, no, I can't add a position here on the opening because the 30-minute candle could still flip at any given point. Yeah.
If it re-breaks the high, then
that'll be got liquidity right there.
Yeah.
But this kind of closed bearish here, so yeah, this thing may hit stops here. Yeah. So yeah, we couldn't add a position here because like the 30-minute candle was still bearish. At any given point, I think it still flipped bearish and dropped down, which it did. But what me and Wicks were saying was that if it were to close like above this resistance again, where is it? Above yeah, if we were to break the lows here, which it did, and flip bullish, we'll add a position there because that'll be us ground liquidity. But in this case, it never flipped bullish again. It just drove down, and that's why we manage risk there. All right. Let's keep going. Yeah, then it ends up. This is a continue down here now, all the way down towards like 1705-ish. The candle close dodgy. What does that dodgy mean? You need to understand what dodgy means. What does dodgy mean? It's not about being dodgy. It's about or closing dodgy. It's about like where it closed, right? That's key. Like that's what's key. Like what's dodgy? You know, explain what dodgy is.
Maybe him and doji.
Oh, Doji. Okay, Doji. Where though? Which one was Doji? Oh, 30 Doji, 15 Doji. Yeah, and also because the 30 minute was bearish though, right? Look at the 30 minute time frame. This thing was bearish candle, creating a high. At any given point, can still flip bearish, drop down. All right, let's just skip this. Let's see. All right, so this 5 here closed below. Bro, my man, donkey style. This 5 closed below here, Chad. You have a wick to fill here. You can probably just look for sales coming down here, but you have a new 4-hour candle, I believe. No, that 1 hour can still flip bullish. Let's go to the next day. Oh, and they're coming up after. Nice. Weird. All right, I'm gonna do like maybe another 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna do it rapidly quick, without really having to explain much. I'm just trying to get these trades in. Show you guys the stacking situations. All right. Daily bullish. I can't even see traffic no more. Oh, I can. All right. Yeah. I'll say right anywhere below. Is there traffic to the left there? There is traffic to the left there. How big is that traffic? 20 pips. Below here, I'll say sells. And then you can take sells coming down to fill 1 hour ranges, which is going to be below here. So let's go to the 5 and play through. See what it does. All right, 30 seconds. Closure. Yeah, pretty straightforward, chat. Just closure below.
Is it shown?
Like I think stops with like 1,000 pips here, I think, but oh, it's only 50. That's fine. Yeah, sells here, stops above the previous zone, and then target whatever. We'll look at the add positions. I hope we get a situation here where we can add positions. So I'm hoping for some drawdown here. If we can come back up to maybe here, and we're at 1704, because it's also, yeah, 1704. We'll look for more sells coming down. If not,
I think
then
losing is more relevant, more relatable.
More relatable. Yeah, we lose because it's
We had to take some L's there to be more relatable to you guys.
That was the worst shit I ever heard. My ears was bleeding after.
I was like, what?
What kind of streamer wants you to lose? When me and Wix heard that, we're like, wait, what?
Remote.
We're testing the sell replay? No, we're testing. I'm not testing anything. I'm not testing anything. What I'm doing is I'm trying to educate to chat on how we could add positions and stuff, because chat, yes, they didn't seem to understand it. Yeah. 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 I was hoping for some drawdown, but not that much drawdown. Yeah. Yeah, we couldn't add positions there. I'm trying to show you guys the situation. Let's go to the next situation. Go to maybe this one. Let's go to 6:30 this day. Let's go to a new zone, new timing. Go to the 14th.
Also traded on BTC and made little profit.
Wait, you guys are trading Bitcoin right now? Right. Why can't I why was it so much more smooth when we did it? Why is it just like not showing me candles now? Or maybe I can't go far. Only gotta go in 2017.
Keep it in 2022, but go to the beginning of the year.
I can't go 2022.
Go to 2020. Go to 2019.
2020.
And go to September. Go to the worst months.
2020 September. I can't. There's no data here.
Go to, I don't know, October, November, December. How is there no data?
I don't know. Okay, if this works,
Is it no
I guess.
data because it's too far or because it's too close?
This works. This works. This is like, I think it's too. I think I don't have data downloaded after like maybe maybe after yeah 2020 maybe 2021. All right, let's skip to this, man. Oh, there's a gap. Oh yeah, this is the Sunday. My fault. Let's move to New York session. Okay, cool. It's 9 a.m. here. What do you see? You see that we're obviously heavily bullish for a day. You probably want buys above this zone here to the left, and then with that zone to the left. See, I can't even see traffic. Like, that's also something I can't see here. I can't do anything. This is terrible, man. I can't see anything, chat. That's fine. Let's just hope we can get a situation where we could no, I can't see the left. Like, it's fine. We're just assumed or something similar. Realistically though, you can't assume in real markets, right? When there's no like, let's say there's a time chat where like we can't see the left because there's like no history or like prices at all-time highs. Like those times you can't really touch it because you have no data to base off like your support and resistance off anything, right? I'll be here for another 10 minutes and we'll call it. It's been like 2 hours, I think, right?
Yeah. Shit's been longer than a fucking Ancient Aliens special.
Was your simulator? Nah, it's not my simulator. This is I don't own the simulator. This is a FOREX simulator. I don't claim it no more. Hurry up. All right, there we go. That's fucking 1 a.m. here. All right, move on to the 1 hour. Let's go to this one right here, 6 a.m. and you are going to see, oh, there's some decent volume. Great. All right, so what do you have here? You have the daily bullish, the 4 hour breaking highs, 1 hour breaking above. You really need support to form here though. And where's my traffic? Okay, yeah, you really need support to form here though, because you have this resistance here which just closed above, but I really want to see something getting tapped into these levels here, so I'm not gonna take buys just yet. We're just gonna simulate the candles here until you get that support. Well, what just happened? Oh yeah, it's 7 a.m. Okay, cool. Yeah, so you got that support. Now you came all the way back down, so if you can break above these ranges, we'll be on buys, but you need to close. So let's just skip that. Nothing you can do here. It's in the range, right? Almost closing, not yet. All right, there you go. Now you're closing above the range after creating that support there. So you can probably just take buys here. I think stops are going to be down here for 30 pips, and then target is going to be roughly up here at this resistance here. All right, cool. So this is good. This is some drawdown for us to add positions maybe, but you may need to close or form support somewhere. Oh. Okay, guess not. Oh. Okay, well, here's your push. Yeah, as I was on the say chat, right there on the opening, there's a candle here, but I mean, it's 3 pips, it's fine. We'll just add it right here. It's fine. This is simulator. Okay, cool. And then perfect. So, cause look, this candle right here, what it did was it closed back into this range here, right? Back into this area here. So since it's doing that, you would assume that this candle has range going up to fill these levels to the left-hand side, and that's what these candles kind of did. I think in the markets right now that we're in, that'll be a bigger range. In this case, it's only like 4 pips, but I just want to show you guys the idea of it. What happened? Wait, what happened? Oh, it hit stops. Yeah, but yeah, see the idea though, like the idea of like in this case, like we kind of closed back into the range. This thing came up, retest the highs, right? And then as it does that, like you'll be then like both at break evens, and you set to managers accordingly. In the current markets we're in, like I think that range will be big enough for us to actually like be in profit or managers accordingly. In this case, so it's kind of hard, but like the counts are counted at the end of the day, right? I want to show you guys just like the count structure and how things are kind of forming and what to expect, and that's what price kind of did there. That's great.
Speeding through it. He's trying to speed through it, but
yeah,
I mean, realistically on
this is why I don't want to go to 2018 too. I want to go to like 2020, but I can't even do that because I don't think volume has been the same since like 2020, 2019, ever since like the December 2019 COVID. Things have picked up, and 2018 volume it's not the same as the current market. So it's, I can't do that because for some reason these counts won't load up, right? I don't know why it stopped letting me do that earlier. I don't think it's unlucky dates. It's just like, no, because it's playing out. It's playing out the way we would want it to. It's just the ranges are very small.
Well, how much was that wick fill? How many pips was the top of that range?
Like 3, but you know, in the
top
current
of that range.
Yeah, it was 3 in 2018. Yeah, but I can't go to 2020.
Well, then you wouldn't be in that position today if it was 3 pips.
Well, and today, if it was like today, that would not. That'll be like maybe 10, 15, 20 bips, right? Minimum. Yeah, I can't. Maybe I downloaded more data or something. Cause I swear, Wix and me, you last one did 2021, and we were fine.
It's not fine. We also did it, you know.
Okay, here we go.
So we got candle closures. We entered where we're supposed to. We closed positions we're supposed to.
Yeah, do like maybe 3 more trades, chat. Hopefully I can get better examples here for you guys. All right, so let's go to.
Yeah, I'm here another 15 minutes.
Yeah, that should be good for 3 trades. Let's go to when daily is not like range or anything. Yeah, see, like I can't even. It won't show data. What about I do? Data quotes. No, it's this one. That's weird. Don't know. No data. No data.
Hey, what if you exit out of the program?
I swear I have data for this. Like, I don't know why there's no data. Let me try. Okay. Let me try. Oh, we need trading view. Trading view wouldn't be too bad, right? It's no balance. George L. Clayton. Opportunity is a naughty goddess who wasted no time with those. Read. Delete. Indicators. Delete. Back in 2018. July or something. And no data. FOREX, soft FOREX is much more, much better, but I don't have the NT4 anymore to do that. I don't think I could get NT4 anymore, right? I could be wrong, but oh, this is 20. Oh, that's not. That's Euro USD. Okay, June 2020. This isn't too bad. Okay, this is doable. This is doable. All right, here we go. So I think, what time is it? 9 a.m. here on a Monday, and this new 4-hour close or 1-hour close. Yeah. All right, so I believe there's a resistance here. You close above there, should be straightforward. Let's get right into it. Also, the 4-hour candle closure is different because this candle was already opened, so it is a bit different. All right, you got a closure here. Okay, so the 15 1 hour. How big are stops again? 5-minute zone. You're looking at 40 pips. Is that a 1-hour support or 1-hour low? Yes, it is. I can't see left too. That's another thing as well. I don't know if we are closing above a resistance, but it's fine. We'll just assume. I'm just guessing it closed above. I just want to get some ideas here. I don't know if it closed above or not. I don't know. I can't really see left, but I'm just assuming it did. It closed above most recent, so we're just gonna assume off of that. Yeah, our stops was the white line here, so like, because that's the 1-hour support, right? And for adding positions, if this kind of were to come down, create a bottom wick and then close bullish, I'll be fine with adding position there. If not, then we just let this one rock. Okay. Ooh, okay, new 15, I think. New 5. Yeah, 5 plus bullish here, breaks the highs. You can add another position here. Yeah, you do have to celery. This guy has no bottom wick. Nice. Can't really do much. I'm guessing there's a resistance here because there's no reason for that price to just react there. I'm guessing there's a resistance to the left. I couldn't see. Yeah. Chat, I think I might do this next week too, but I think I'm gonna see if I can get soft FOREX or something next week because I can't really work with this simulator. Like, there's a lot of things I can't see, and those things really matter, right? Like traffic and stuff. Like I don't know if this is a 5 resistance or not. I think soft FOREX, like I think they have data until like 2022 or something. Software has some problems. Okay, we can do trading view, but there's no thing we can do here. I used to use FOREX, but when does the data end? Nolia. I think in replay mode that there's no balance. It's just like, I'll be having this on my screen, right? And like the candles, you can't see the ticks. You only see the, like, let's say I go here. Wait, what is this? Whoa, wait, you can buy on thing now? Oh, but it doesn't tick. It goes like, it just kind of pushes. Okay. So how did I take profit if I bought? Wait, what is this? That's kind of cool. So, or what I sell?
So do you have 2 positions open, or did you close the first one?
I don't know. I closed the first one. Oh, I closed the first one. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is not bad. This is not bad. But why does it keep saying buy and sell? I'm not even buying and selling. Wait, and what lot size am I using? Is it like another dashboard? Trading panel? Nope. Because I can go into 5 here, right? If I go into 5 here and we simulate through this, let's see. So daily, we're bullish, obviously. 4-hour candle, bullish. Breaking our lows. You just need to close above here, I guess. So let's put a line there and assume that there is a some type of support here. That's a range we're in. Yeah, above here would be perfect. See, I can't see that on thing, and that's why, like, see, I was thinking I'd buy here on the simulator and not seeing this to the left here, and that's an issue. Let's see. Let's try this out for a bit. Maybe this will work out. Yeah, you see what I mean? Like, I can't see it on the simulator. Like right there, we would have got clapped. I was wondering why we're getting clapped. Why are we getting clapped so hard on a simulator? Not even clapped in the real markets like this.
Bro, he said open the panel and connect to paper trading.
How did I do that? So I could. Who said that? Nav? But it's for the simulator or it's for like actual paper trading? Because I don't want to paper trade.
Simulated trading. Yeah, connect.
Okay. I just wish that it ticks, but it's not bad. This is doable. What's
What do you mean? It doesn't show the ticks?
No, it just teleports. Boom. You don't see when it breaks the highs, flips bearish. Like, you can't enter off those flips and stuff. But it's fine.
What if you press play?
I am pressing play. This is play.
A regular speed?
Regular speed? There's no. I think this is the slowest, but it's very slow. It doesn't even move. See? It just ticks. It's gonna tick.
And this is what, 1 candle per minute? Per second?
I think that's 1 upload per second, whatever that means. Wait, so okay, let me see. So this thing closed below the range. 4-hour candle, flipping bullish. Yeah, you close below here. Let's see. I want to see if we can get something. I never knew they had this shit. Kind of cool. Back to this 1 session at a time at a real speed. Yeah. don't know if I want to do that. Okay, close. This is what I mean, right? Like right here. If this thing breaks the lows and flips bullish, that'll be our buy stop. But I can't see that. I can only see this kind of close. Like this thing might fly up for all we know. Like you know, okay, there we go. Close above, I guess, right here. And where's our stop?
I can't see what you're doing on Zoom.
Oh shit. So look, where's the stop? I don't know. I guess this is manual. I guess. All right, closing above. This thing should likely continue up. Where's the stop though? How do I do all that shit?
Yeah, you can't close mid candle here too. That's
You can't really see much, right? What's this? Holy shit. Yeah, this is chalk, chat. I wish I could, like, if I take a sell here, can I and it doesn't even show on history. Like this doesn't even show the orders after, right? Unless it's still open. No, it's closed. Yeah, there's nothing here. That was a useless account. Yeah, this is. I think slowly at a time they're gonna upgrade this, but as of right now, it's still like kind of chalk. I'm done, chat. I think next time I do this, we're gonna find a better simulator that lets me see left or something. That was a pretty chalk session, but it was the first cylinder of the year, so we'll find something better. If you guys have recommendations, let me know, because the one for Dawn is this one. Not as good as I thought it was.
Wick trading settings.
Where?
Oh, someone said try the settings and click trading.
This cylinder is only good for like people who will
under paper trading.
Swing trade.
The arrow under paper trading.
Okay, now what?
Line appearance. Events.
Yeah, okay, FOREX is the best one.
There's nothing here that lets candles flow. That sucks.
Like this is only good for like people who swing trade, right? So like people who like do this, like they'd be like, what's this week? Yeah, it's literally just if they go to like this, go like here, right? And then they'd be like, yeah, off of this, whatever, and they just be like taking a buy, whatever, right? And they do this on their screen, and then they play it. Like that's what it's good for. People who do that.
This would be the best one if this had a running ticks.
Yeah, this
is the best one.
Because you can see traffic and everything.
Yeah, you can see everything on it. All they needed to do was just add running ticks. Would have been ideal.
Look at this beautiful RR chat. Oh, in TP. Nice. Nice. Good simulator chat.
Was this on
at
your
this point,
swing?
At this point, I'm gonna close at 800 pips here. My bad. No,
On the
8,000
swing?
pips. 8,175 pips just for the session. Closing full right here. Quick entry, man. Like, I didn't even see it.
That's a W.
W session, you know.
W
stream.
session.
Yo, for real though, I'm gonna find a better simulator. Maybe it could
All that time,
for 8,000 pips, man.
and we could have just fucking smacked it for 8,000 pips in 58 weeks or whatever it took.
Hold on, how long did that shit take? Damn.
It's the weekly, bruh. That's decade.
That's 182 weeks. That's like
That's
3
4 years.
years.
Damn near.
that's 3 years.
That's 3.5 years. That's
4 years, yeah. Learn for life, huh? Smash. 8K pips though. We only have like 4K pips in the single channel, so I think we're. Yeah.
Trey took my whole childhood.
The signal's got 4,000 pips within a year and a half. This thing took This thing took 4 years to make 8,000 pips. Unless this is 8,000, 6,000. No, this is 8,600. All right, pips. So realistically, you're better off scalping than swinging. There we go. There we go. There's the confirmation.
Well, no.
Right? Is 8,000 or what?
No. So if that's 8,000, and you made in a year and a half, they made what?
So in 2 years, you make 8,000 roughly on average.
No, they made 4,000. Oh yeah. 3 years, you're in there like somewhere.
Yeah, so you're better off scalping, right?
Yeah, for sure. All you gotta do is show up to the Wix 9 agent session live stream at 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube.
You're streaming tomorrow?
And how about new?
What's FOREX
Streaming
tester?
February we'll start Sunday streams, but for now it's Monday through Thursday.
Oh, this looks cool. What is this? Have you guys tried this? I'm a young blood trader. What the fuck?
Must be the new street style, or what do they call it?
Street culture. They said.
Street culture. Yeah, this is street culture trading.
What do you guys? This is what you guys are, huh? This is what I am. I already know what's happening here. This is in the mix. This is a good one. FOREX tester looks fire. I'm not sure how good how it works, but yeah, you can try this out. Another day though, next week. Not today. I'm shocked. It's moved by express. Wait, so do we get like, is it like, do you see ticks like this one? You see how when you play this one, you see ticks?
They have a simulator. They can show you right there, the video. Just click on it. You see where it says try for free?
I clicked that.
No, but go over there and it's going to give you a drop down, right? Hover over it. Free web demonstration right there.
Bro, can I just skip this? I don't want to read 25 pages.
Skip.
Jeez, bro, are you kidding me?
You're halfway there. You have to do it now. Your feedback sucks. Well, if I get emails from them,
that's not your email.
Oh.
Yo, can I open buy order, resume testing, This is annoying, man. All right, I get it.
You gonna leave some feedback or what? Imagine all this and you don't see it. You don't see it ticking. That's all you see, just the candles.
Open sell. All right, got it. Next thing you know, so how do you work this thing? Next.
Congratulations,
Next.
you made $447.
Finish. Oh, now I gotta. Bro, what
You gonna
the?
buy it or what?
I am, but I wanted to see a video. I thought that's what it was gonna demonstrate, but I guess
That's
it's
what I
just,
thought. You gotta
I
Google.
guess I
you
gotta
to
go back
YouTube.
and do the whole
YouTube.
thing again. All right.
Go to YouTube. You gotta type them in on YouTube and see if anyone uses it.
Let's see.
What's it called?
FOREX tester. Yeah, this guy asked me to do a live stream a couple years ago.
Did he?
Yep. I said no, sir. Podcast, I think.
Oh, podcast. I was gonna say it's a live stream. Bro, press play.
Set that here, and we just press play, right?
Oh, it's moving.
All right, cool.
What did he say? Is this good or is it bad?
Damn, he's sniper entering. I'll take a sell right here on a breakout on a closure below the Rangers. All right, the close fall right there, done. Oh wait, this is GU.
I guess we're moving to a new page. FX
Damn.
replay, don't waste your money. Do FX replay. What's FX replay?
Fire back testing tool. Okay, let's get started on this.
Bruh.
Bruv. Is there a demo? Watch a video.
Go to YouTube. Let's watch a video.
Without further ado, let's dive to your testing session. And so the idea of this
Add your balance, cool.
Your testing, okay? And so say after you created all that, you want to jump into it. Okay, well, what do? You click this play button right here. This locks you right into your the tool here. So essentially, you know, you can analyze from top down. This one, end it off.
This looks exactly like this, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so you can go all the way down.
You see left,
and
though.
You can see the same thing. Okay, you can skip forward each candle like that. So this is skipping forward the 1 minute candles. You can skip forward faster if you want for the 5 minute candles. You can skip forward the 1 hour candles. You can see like that. Okay, place order, whatever you want to risk. Okay, let's go 2% and let's lock it in right here. So now what we can do is we can wait for price to get back in. We can just play it like this. Or if we want to just speed it up, you can actually just use this right here, and speed that up. And at the same time, you can click this if you want, or even for a little bit faster results, here we go. Okay, and if we want to go even faster, we can start going on the 1 hour like that. Okay, so there we go.
This looks dope. If you could change the colors on here to black.
We're into our trade, and let's see what happens here.
But can you see left? That's not
Why can't you see left?
Okay, let's see what happens.
Well, I want to see how smooth it is, because it looks like this.
Well,
kinda. Hopefully, it's
zoom
not.
out. See if you can zoom out.
Okay, we can get your data for our losers.
I'll try it out.
25%.
Once I get FOREX tester, okay, which one is it, bro? You told me one guy told me to get this, one guy told me to get that. I'll get both and I'll test it out, and I'll make a video on YouTube. What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna talk to you guys about the best FOREX simulator out there. I've tested tons of FOREX simulators. I think this is the best one. Good video idea. Yeah, I'll get both. I'll try it out. I'll let you guys know next week. We'll do one Saturday, Sunday next week, right? Yeah, yo. I'm gonna go car shopping right now, chat. So I'll catch you guys in the mix on Monday.
Yes.
Get some food, chat. All right.
Chopped cheese.
Yes, sir. Peace out, stream. Huh?
Wordle?
Yo, we gotta do a Wordle. Yeah. Another game. Yeah. Right, you're right. Rocks.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. RR.
Blurry. Double R. You want a double R? Oh wait, you can't do it. Not enough. Hurry. There we go. Double R. I like the double R.
All right. R can RY. What else can I end in RL?
Could be two U's.
Are you? Yeah. Are you? But what else can I end in? RI?
M.
RM?
If a U is in the middle, something.
I. To use an I.
Hmm.
That's not a word, right?
Nope.
Guru.
Just do blur. BLURR. No.
Blurp. Blurb.
Bruh. What? We're doing the geotag game today.
I don't know what this means, but I'm genius, man. Let's do context though.
Blur. Get the fuck out of here.
What?
Blurb.
I got it, man. What can I say?
Gotta spark a big old blunt. Eddie, yeah, me too. And then Jim on the way to the gym. People. Guru, teacher. People. What about people? What do people do? Work. Oh, nice.
Fire, work, job, boss.
Sleep.
When people work to get money, use their phones.
Lunch.
Paid, pay, lunch,
Talk.
talk,
Communicate.
social, communicate,
Office.
office, pencil,
Bank.
Bank. Papers.
Work,
Resume.
office. Fire, work, office. Market. Boss.
We did that. We did all of that already.
Overtime.
We done did so much around the law. I didn't see so much I shouldn't have saw. Tatted teardrops called a heck of fall.
Overtime. You're off. That was the worst one
Yeah.
yet. Oh wait, no.
Nope. 6 of yours were worse than my one overtime.
All right.
Let's not go there.
Hi.
Hey.
What did I do?
No, my office is still better.
Work, live, office.
Fire people high.
People, high, office, cell, phone. Share, use. Suits,
What do you use in
Tie.
an office?
pen,
Water.
pencil, water, paper, printer, desk,
Elevator.
chair,
Elevator. Elevator.
elevator,
Stairs.
mouse,
Stairs. Yeah. Office. Parking lot. Parking.
You sure typing signals and you're pasting those fast? Yeah, I'd be like this.
Nah, that ain't a word.
Imagine. Ding, got it.
Never.
Be like, so go now.
We done did so much around the law.
Oh.
Stay up to forget about what
Still
we
said
saw.
building.
Powers keep increasing by the bar. Shit don't make you sleepy after all.
Building.
Shopping in my
Oh,
Hey.
opening my mouth at this.
weak ass.
Chill.
What else is there?
I extended my
Building, build,
ball.
construction house, construct,
To designing it
brick
all.
tower.
Water down the eyes, now I go
Let's go,
fall.
Dill.
Got too many
This free
numbers.
today.
What's the
eating.
deal?
What's the dill?
Many ways for you
Dill
to
pickle.
pause.
You fuck with dill pickles?
Down and we ball.
Hell
You
yeah.
fuck with Dill's pickle?
No.
Hey, what's that other game? Weaver? Sheesh. Not bad. Oh, this stupid ass game.
Good idea. Yeah, I thought of that.
Villains don't perceive themselves as wrong, and all heroes do not wear capes. Villains are made, not born. Most times, the villain and the hero's beginnings, unlike their endings, take nearly identical shapes.
Good. Go with gold. Then. Oh, actually, no. No.
Gold can't work? Oh, the D. Yeah, the G. Gold, and then
I'd like to propose a toast. I said
8,000 pips today. Crush Wordo. Not a guessing game. We are cooking. We are cooking up today.
Fire.
I've been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get any hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Don't have to taste me, I don't like the wait, and I swear I'm impatient, I don't like to sit. I made a way for you little bitty niggas, I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch. Yeah, they got this out it, I told them to mail it, I don't gotta tell you, somebody gon' sell it.
Fold.
Keep it solid, I know you won't tell it, grew up in the streets, I ain't never saw belly, I didn't have shit, I ain't never.
Why we do this without Kieran, bro?
terrible idea.
How's your classic day?
Let's
Yeah,
go with,
that.
let's go with mood. Let's try that. See what we can change here.
What's your favorite album, Tyler Perry? From Kanye. What do you say?
Hmm?
Gold and what?
Hmm? Wait, no, hold on.
Idea.
Fresh if the feds watch, send a diss and hide and get your man shot. Niggas play, but they know we gon' air it out. She was acting bougie, flew a friend out. I went took it, ain't asked for a handout. Old niggas see me out and put their head down. I still got my block if the music don't crack.
Weak ass getting bold. Sold. Now what? Like, why is there a DEA here? Idea. Okay, when you break idea down backwards, you do like
Yeah, what word do you get idea from?
go at. I was thinking go at too, but like, is that a word? Yeah, nah, right? Food. Wood. And then W. How do you change the D and the E in this? We have to do this too. I'm not leaving the stream until we actually complete this. I don't know about you, but I got time today.
Yeah.
I don't even think Kieran would be able to help us, to be honest here too. Go food then free? How do you go food and free, K? You just changed like 3 different letters. You gotta do like 1 letter at a time. Hold on. Yeah, it's like 1 letter at a time. It's not like Wordle, right? Like you gotta do. So it's like you gotta change 1 letter. So food or like wood, and then you gotta change to match these ones. Like
you go from good to ghoul, right? Or food, or from food to foot, right? And like that.
Let's try every letter. That'll work, right?
Hood, right? Or POOR.
What the fuck does that do?
Nothing.
Oh, but wait, but now you can change. You can change these, but leave the R, right? And then, okay. Or
shirt in the breeze like I'm sailing, and I walk in my sleep, I can't help that. When's the last time I asked for some help that I couldn't get from nobody else yet? I couldn't get from nobody else that. When's the last time I asked for some help that I couldn't get from nobody else yet? Nobody. I don't get weak in the knees, honey spread it like a fan. Perfect like some Gucci sand. Open the sky, get a handful. Torso marked up like a vandal. Are you not fucking with cash?
Let's change the middle letter. Let's change one of the O's. Let's start with like gold, or then we'll go to like fold and stuff like that. Mold. See if we can have the O. Because then I think we can change the last letter to an A if once we get one of the O's out.
but how do you get the O out?
Let's mold or fold. First you do gold or anything. Let's see if we can change.
The first wedding that I've been in my 20s. Thinking maybe someone is not something to own. Maybe the government got nothing to thinking. Maybe the feeling just comes and it goes. Think I want me a little one, I look like my clone. Me and my baby can do on our own. I landed a trick on my impossible. I'm fucking with Eddie, I'm watching my doors. 24 hours like they never close. I'm biking these blocks. Yeah. Since been ball, I sold all this ice, I've been slossing.
I miss playing music on stream, man.
I'm biking downhill and it sound like a fishing rod. Savages biting. Transition lightning. Ashes and remnants of ballers. Body that's gutted. Ability that used to be flawless. I'm high up, the raindrops keep falling. Scattered the showers. Those scaffolded towers. I'm up on my promise. In class with the honors. No cheat, look, I'm honest.
Hold on.
I just see a code. I just see a hole. The chinks in your armor. Like packing a hummer. Like Jigga in summer. Left the house like Obama. Hit the road like a runner.
Fuck. I don't see. How did I turn to C?
I'm biking. I don't get weak in the knees. Honey spread it like a fan. Perfect like some Gucci sand. Open the sky.
And then
torso marked up like a vandal.
Cola.
God give you what you can handle. Give you what you can handle.
Cola.
Hey,
And I'm biking.
we got an A.
And then you do like CO.
No. Go ahead. That's a W. We got a letter, bro. Let's call it a stream. That's a W.
Yola.
We could go to Homa.
college
Can't
trading, it
change
was
the
good
A.
this week. Decent week. Break even. Oh no, I was up actually this week. Maybe like less than 1%. What do you say? They got the A, but doesn't do shit, right? COEA. Yo, we suck at this game.
Coda? COTA? No. Damn.
White cream, ice cream, call me snowman. Getting money, no broke man. Fall claiming you a hoe man. Yeah, you not a gang, you not for air. You ain't about that. Yeah, you not a shooter, you not a robber. You ain't about that. Yeah, you not a gangster, you not a killer. OG, I'm about that. Yeah, I'm good in my hood, I'm good in your hood, and y'all niggas ain't that. Real like me, real or the real big dog nigga, real killer. Nigga be talking on all that nigga. You little bit of niggas. Don't play with bitch. You little bit of niggas.
What's that word? Bold. Bold.
Nah, it's impossible to have this many guesses and no words. It's gotta be like within the first 2 or 3. It's gotta be a letter. How do we get rid of that O in the middle? Go to cold and then go to cult. C-U-L-T. Let's see. Get rid of that O.
Oh. What was the word before again? Cold and what?
Cult. C-O-L-T. And then C-U-L-t. No. Definitely lost and lost.
You think that you're better off dead. She got me acting all sad, damn. Everything bad, damn. That's why you can't fuck with fans, damn. This not in the plan, damn.
Must. Anyway.
Must.
We could just keep going. Yeah, but you just keep going.
Yeah, until you think of something, you know? All that matters. Must, and then you do like dust, and then from dust you do this.
Oh, duet. From dust you do duet.
Yeah, duet. Yeah, see? Don't hate. Never hate. Duet. And then from duet you do
Say my diamond too big, can get risen. You don't hear me, better listen. Stand on my money, I'm tall as Pippin. I'm sorry, I'm trying to pitch in. I'm so sorry that I'm trying to fix it. I'm sorry for everything I ever said.
duet. Then you do poet.
I'm sorry if my words mess with your head.
What?
You think that you're better off dead. She got me acting all sad, damn. Everything bad, damn. That's why you can't fuck with fans, damn.
Pretty sure we're
This not in the plan.
crawling down the wrong rabbit hole here.
Nah, we're going down the right path, bro.
I'ma just do what I can now. For my insistence, the girl is banned now. You was too bad for my brain.
What
This is taking
now?
up entirely. If this takes up the next 4 hours, I'm gonna be pissed.
Saturday, you know, we're hanging with the boys. Saturday night with the boys.
Every time that you went out, you always linked up with a friend of me. Girl, I saw you with the
Alright, guys.
You was not family, no kin of me. I swear that shit, it need to stop. I am too numb, it ain't killing me. Matter of fact, you can do what you want. Okay, shut up, all you done. I'm not falling for that, I'm not dumb. You the one, I'm not the one that sprung. You the one, I'm not the one that's up. Drowning all my sorrows up in rum. I'ma count this money when my
There's no mods here.
I can make that girl cry till she come. I remember she said I was
Can you blame him?
Now she's busting, yeah. My life fucked, yeah. I'm unlucky, and I'm sorry for everything I ever said, yeah.
I'm sorry if you were misled. Yeah, and I'm sorry if my words mess with your head. Yeah, you think that you're better off dead. Yeah. She call me acting all sad. Damn.
How do I go from this?
Damn. That's why you can't fuck with fans. Damn. It's not in the plan. Damn. I am so high I can't land now. So I basically said find a man now. I'ma just do what
Look,
I can now. For my
you go erase all of this.
Oh, we can do this, Wix. We can go to, from this, right? And then do fold. And then
What's
back
another-
and then back to food.
What's the word before idea? That's what I want to know.
You're right. What's the word before idea? Think about it, chat. When you think of idea, you have the word idea, right? And then you can do IKEA. IKEA.
IKEA is not a word.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
In Finland, in Sweden. The hardest one ever. Ooh, I wanted to play Weaver. Oh dear. Oh dear. How the fuck you?
The hell's a oh dear?
Huh?
The hell's a oh dear?
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Bro. Yo. I'm about to go ham. Watch this.
Oh dear is something really old person would scream. Like if dishes fell on the floor, they go, oh dear. That's it.
Fucking that hoe, she go easy. You said if I'm so easy. I let these bitches too easy. I'ma shoot that little strapper too easy. Let that nigga down, he too easy. Robbing these niggas too easy. I'm squeezing this bitch like some easy cheese. I'm fucking these bitches so easily. I let these bitches move cheesy. Why these little bitches so lovey-dovey? Walk up to me and they turn to heavy. I let these bitches too easy. Bitch, why you lying? You ain't kissing me. Most of these bitches got history. So too much dick, you need Listerine. She addicted to dick like some nigga team. Recording that hoe with no kissing scene. I use her dick but don't eat string beans. She wanna suck on my ding ling ling. Look at my diamonds say bling bling bling. Under your bitch like deodorant. She right on that dick, she go motor it. Got 20 flash shots, I'ma quarter it. I'm pressing these ball like a quarterback. I keep it $1, no quarterback. I'm fucking your hoe with perfection. A hole is too big, you would guess. This looks like I'm fuck on my next bitch. Fucking that hoe, she go easy. Losing if I'm so easy. I let these bitches too easy. I'ma shoot that
Belt.
Okay. My kids ain't in the room.
Oh,
they don't give a
meat.
damn.
Meat. Right? And then
Feet? Hold on.
How do I feet?
Hold on. No, we need. How does this help us?
Bro. Ice. We need to get to ice. We can get a C somewhere, right? It's doable. How do you get to ice? Then ice, how do I get to idea? This feels like impossible, man. What, can I give up?
I got shit to do today. Just out of protein too.
We in the time of our lives, baby. Turn the music up. Prime time. Baby. Yeah, prime time. Beat by Dion. Our third eon. That's what the fuck we on.
Markets are ranging on this one.
My 15 minutes of fame to stretch beyond. At 42, be better than 24s. I carried the 4-5, that's the 48 loss. Still wearing
At least we listen to Jay-Z.
Can't fuck with the ball. Far as them 16s, I'm 23 of it all.
Bum 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 bum.
I landed in 96, that's the year I came through. I hit the club, ordered some Grey Goose, switched it for some
Man.
pop stock the boost. New money, I found the fountain of youth. I'm headed to Miami to fuck up the fountain blue.
8,000 pips, man.
Make it 2. Nigga, we rollin'. Beat the deuce. The night is young. What the
Guys,
fuck
can
we
you
gon'
guys help? Chat. You guys can help. You guys know how to play? What's now? Why are you mixing? What?
That's protein powder, bro.
Why don't you just dry scoop it? What's wrong with you?
I feel like breathing.
Yo, have you done the cinnamon challenge? You know what that is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take a scoop of cinnamon, you just swallow it. Actual Speed did it. Hood. Hold.
When you come home, that's a test from my wife. I told her run a bubble bath.
Held. H-E-L-D.
Yeah. Held.
All the way.
Huh?
What?
Held. Bro, I don't know how to do this, yo.
Heed.
What is
How about this?
What is it?
Heed. Let's go heed. H-E-E-D. All right. Feed, fled. Feed.
Heat.
No, we already have the E.
Head.
So, no, you get rid of the E. That makes no sense. Feed.
It ends with an A. How do you turn it to A?
Well, first you go to feed. You got about 5 minutes before my headphones die over here.
Yeah.
Now they going.
No, you can't call it. Farzo, you can't leave. If you leave, you're banned from the stream forever. You have to stay here. You guys are all being held hostage on the stream until we finish this game. All 100 of you guys.
I got about a half hour till I got to be at the gym. But I do have about 5 minutes till these headphones die. If anything, I'm just gonna be over here sign languaging.
I give up. No way. What do you mean? You have to help. I help you. You have to help me. You think this is a one-way thing? This is a two-way thing, man. Heal. Okay. Watch this though.
Ooh.
Bitch, I'm not a stalker.
We doing this till there's one viewer in here.
I'm like a doctor. It's hacked. How do you have hacked? This Weaver's cap. Yo, this Weaver's impossible, man. Today's Weaver.
Yo, can we dial a friend up?
Yo, there's hints here.
Where's
Oh, yo, here we go. Change the first letter for the first word. Okay, so let's restart. Food. Change the second letter for the second word. But to what?
This is bullshit. This is like when you ask your parents for help and they're like, well, read it again.
Change the third letter for a third word. So the E, we got the E right. The E, how do you get the E again, Wix? What do? You do. How do you get the E without G as a start? What was the word we got just now again?
I think it was gold, something like that. Oh no, that's what led us to cola. Sorry.
Driving me away.
We did cold and cola. That's what we did.
No, but we got E earlier. How do we get E there again?
Food.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I put 4Gs on Pirelli. On the mob shit, try to threat me. Be your face inside spaghetti. But I'm sipping on this deli. Keeping on
Fell.
inside my belly.
Fold. Yeah.
I'm losing it.
Oh, held. No.
Yeah. Fled. It was fled.
Diamonds hitting left, right. I'm just living my best life. Backwards got my chest tight. Focused on my riches. Bro just got a sentence. I cried after the
No, we did.
I keep good intentions. I don't gotta mention. Body cashing renting.
Food.
Everything I say, I back it.
Feed fled. Something like that. I don't know.
For ID.
Oh, you can, that's cheating. Damn, dog.
Duet.
No time to relax. I need another bag. Stacking another back end.
Dude.
I'm ready. I put 4Gs
Foot.
on Pirelli. On the mob shit, try to threat me. Be your face inside spaghetti. But I'm sipping on this deli. Keeping on beside my belly. I'm losing
The worst game of all time.
Don't know why they doubt me. What's the game without me?
Not worse than your
Lost.
fucking simulator.
Lost.
Just live my best life. Backwards got my chest tight. What you know about the bando? Keys like a piano. Big six just like Rambo. Begging up the tando. Push strings just like banjos. Catch plays in the end zone. I be rapping rigged up. Used to do the pickups. Trips just with no hiccups.
No, it had a D at the end, and that's how we did it. It was fled. F-L-E-D.
Fake friends I got rid
Must.
Gotta step my read up, taking
Dust.
stay up, treat the game like a layup.
Wait.
Drop foreigns,
Dust. Do what?
stacking up my digits, never smoking midget.
All right. We change that letter. Change the fourth. What the fuck? Hey,
Dual.
you know what, man?
Oh.
Oh.
Food.
What the hell? Hold on.
I'm done.
What is it?
I don't want to hear it. That's not even a word. We were never going there. Never. That's why.
So it was food. And then it was plud. And then was pled.
Hey, if I knew pood was a word, this would have been over a long time ago. I don't want to hear it. Game over. Game over.
Idea. It was a word, see? And then idea.
Oh, it's been 3 hours on a Saturday.
Okay, it's not a word. And then it was idea. Easy, yo.
Ilea?
Yeah, no.
The hell is Ilea and pood? Ilea and pood should not be part of this game.
Yeah, idea is chalk, man.
Ilea pooed on the floor. That's what Ilea did. Leah done pooed everywhere. I'm done with this. It's worse than your simulator. Weaver and Don's FOREX simulator should never come back.
Alright, y'all guys, I'm done. Good night, guys. Have a good day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Later.